Hello friends, do you still use where in JavaScript? Let's see why let and const are better and the exact difference between them. So JavaScript gives us a three-way to declare variables where, let and const. Each works differently in terms of scope, redeclaration and hosting. Let's explain with the example. So let's start with the where. So here I am declaring one variable x. It's a type of number type variable, and I am assigning the value 10. If I again redeclare the same value, same variable with the same name, it will not give me the error because redeclaration is allowed with where. So basically where is a function scoped and it can be redeclared and updated. For example, if I change the value 30, it will also allow me to update the value, and if I print the value of the x, it will give me the value as a 30 because it will change the value with the last assigned value and it gets hoisted as undefined. Undefined hoisting means, for example, if I have not assigned any value and if I try to print console.log x, it will give me the value undefined. That means it get hoisted as a undefined. So now you know all the points about the where. So where is a function scoped. It can be redeclared, hoisted, and you can update the value of the variable as well. So our next is let. So let's declare one variable let y equal to 10. If you try to redeclare this variable let y equal to 20, is it allowed? No, because in let is a blocked scope. You saw the x is a function scoped and let is a blocked scope. Cannot be redeclared in the same scope. For example, in the same scope you cannot redeclare it. If you are redeclaring within a method function where you have already declared the same variable with the let, then it will not allow you to the redeclare. It will give you the error. So let's comment it out. The third point is, can you update it? Like now you have here you can see you change the value. Earlier it was 10, then you redeclare with the 20 and then you updated the value with the 30. So is it allowed with the let? Let's check. Yes, it's allowed with the let. So basically with the let you cannot redeclare but you can update the value. And the same, it's the hoisted with undefined. If you cannot initialize the value, the by default value of the variable will be undefined. Clear? So the third one is const. So const is also a blocked scope, but it must be initialized at declaration and cannot be updated or redeclared. So it's the safest choice. Let's take one example. Const z equal to 10. If I write const, it will not allowed because it should be initialized at the time of declaration. So This is the important thing which you have to be remember while declaring your variable with the const. Okay, and you cannot update the value or you cannot redeclare it. For example, if I try to redeclare, then it will give me the error, and I cannot update the value as well. It will give me the error. So it is the safest choice for the to use our variable as a const in our project. So these are the basic difference between var, let and const. So the golden rule is use const by default, let when the value changes, and avoid var unless you are working with the legacy project. So now you know the difference between var, let and const in JavaScript. Thank you.